Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 3b, that is find first three common multiples of 12 and 18. Right? We write the multiples of 12 first and then multiples of 8. Multiples of find the multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. We'll find the multiples of 12 first. Multiples of 12, that is 1 into 12 is equal to 12, is equal to 12, right? That is 2 into 12, 2 into 12 is equal to 24, 3 into 12, 3 12 is 36, 36, this is 6, 4 into 12, 4 12 is 48, 5 12 is 60, 5 into 12 is equal to 60, 6 12 is 72, 6 into 12, 6 12 is 72, 7 12 is 7 into 12, 7 12 is 84, 7 12 is 84. Now 8 12, 8 12 is 8 12 is 96, 96, right? 9 12 is, that is 9, 9 into 12, 9 12 is 108, 108, this is 8, and 10 into 12, into 12, that is 120, 120. This is the multiples of 12. Now we'll find the multiples of 18. Here we find the multiples of 18. Multiples of 18. This is the multiples of 18. Right? It is 1 into 8, 18 is equal to 18. 2 into 18, 18 to the 30, 18 into 2, that is just 16, 36, then 3 into 18, 3 into 18, that is 3 8 is 24, 4, 3 is 24, 3 4 5, 54, 54, and 4 into 18, 4 into 18, 4 into 18, this is 4 into 18, this is 8, 4 into 18 is equal to 4 8 is 32, right? 62, 4 8 is 32, 4 5 6 7, that is 72, right? Now 5 into 18, 5 into 18. Now 5 into 40, 4, here 0, 5 into 5 plus 4, 9, that is 90. Then 18 into 6, 6 into 8, 6 into 18, what you get in 16 into 8, 6 is 48, carry 4, here 8, 6 is 6 plus 4, 10, 108. Okay. Now we will find the first three common multiples. We find the first common multiples is 36. Here you see this is 36 and this is also 36. This number is common. And next number is 72. Here you see 72 and here it is 72. And the next common is 108. You see this is 108 and this is 108. Right? Therefore the first three common multiples of 6 and 8 are 36, 72 and 108. These are the first three common multiples. Again we are repeating, that is we have to find first the multiples of 12, that is 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, 5 12 is 60, 6 12 is 72, 7 12 is 84, 8 12 is 96, 9 12 is 108 and 10 12 is 120. We have to find the multiples of 18 also. 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 36, 18 3 is 54, 18 4 is 72, 18 5 is 90, 18 6 is 108. I will find what are the first three multiples. You see common is 36, common in both, and 72 common, and 108 is also common. Therefore the first three common multiples of 6 and 8 are 36, 72 and 108. This is the solution of question number 3b, exercise 3.4.